Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today, we've got a box from Taiwan, and as you can see, it's a very small box, so you're not going to see the whole unboxing here. Well, maybe you will. How are we going to get this thing unboxed? I don't know, we'll figure it out. Let's get to it. Okay. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Continuing today's box, in a box, we have this box from Taiwan. Let's get to cracking this one open. Maybe there's another box inside of it. Ooh. You guys know what this is? You'll know in a minute. Alright, so in Taiwan, a really popular thing to do is include large pouches called retort pouches in with instant noodles. Retort pouches can contain a numerous variety of different things, be it pork, chicken, beef. That's really all I've seen is pork, chicken, and beef. I've really never seen any seafood, but I'm sure it could be done. But these are metallic pouches that basically it's like having a can of meat in it. But it's flexible and it comes in a pack. Well, these are all from a company called TTL, which stands for Taiwan Tobacco Liquor. And these are for a forthcoming Meet the Manufacturer series. Yeah. And all of their products have retort pouches. So that's pretty cool for one. For two, all of their products have booze in them. Yeah, so let's start looking at these. This is really cool. Oh, and they're wonderful condition. Okay, I'm not sure which one this is. I don't think this is the cooking wine variety. I'm not sure, but okay, so I believe this is one of the chicken ones. They came out with a couple chicken ones that were really popular, and they have them in pack like this and bowls. This is a 3-pack, so you can imagine these are really big packs. And so this one could be the Shaoxiang cooking wine. I'm not sure. I'll know when I know, but yeah. And there's the noodles, there's the soup, and then you put in some of this wine and stir it up, and boom, you've got, it definitely changes the game quite a bit, especially with all the chicken that's in it. So, although that looks a lot like pork to me. This, however, this is most definitely chicken. And excuse the label here. So these came from, it looks like they got them and had them shipped via PC Home. And I think PC Home is kind of like the Taiwanese equivalent of Amazon Prime, that kind of thing. But it went in a PC Home box and then got put in a bigger box, and then it got brought to me. So yeah, I'm guessing they had like an external shipper. I don't know, but it's cool. I'm really happy you sent this. Thank you. But yeah, this one will have either, there's one with rice wine and one with Shaoxiang. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Shaoxiang wine. So yeah, very cool. Next we have one of the newer varieties. This is a red wine Bolognese. Yeah, this is kind of a red wine Bolognese variety. So you've got, and also this is a combo. So you have noodles that you drain, and then alongside of it, and then you stir in a large retort pouch, and then alongside of it you use the drained off water that's still hot, stir in a seasoning sachet, and then you have a sipping soup to go along with it. So yeah, it's kind of an Italian thing going on here, and you're probably thinking, really, Italian is popular in Taiwan? Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they do some serious justice to Italian. They do some amazing food in Taiwan. So here we've got one that I've never really seen before. I believe this is I think this is like a pickled, like a mustard greens and beef variety. I'm not positive 100%, but I think that's what they were trying to tell me about this one. So yeah, this should be pretty good. I'm very curious about it because this is, I believe, the only one that they've done that has beef in it. And they've got two newer ones. These have been out for a little while, but this one is a red wine carbonara, and it has a sipping soup on the side. You drain off some of the liquid when you make the dry noodle here, and you add it with a soup sachet, and you stir it up, and boom, you've got soup to sip and noodles to eat. This is fancy. I mean, it's red wine. It's definitely going to kick it up a notch, that's for sure. And finally, this one I have had. This one is on the top 10 instant noodles of all time 2018 edition. This is the white wine carbonara. It has a sipping soup alongside. It has a really nice creamy sauce with like bacon in it. Oh yeah, this is Flavorland, folks. This is super good stuff, so definitely worth it. If you can get it, get it. If you're in Taiwan and you haven't tried this, you should. Anyways, yeah, wow, what a score. Thank you so much for sending these. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.